time. When I saw that it was Kat Von D, I was like, yes, give it to me. Welcome to another awesome video by me. So, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Okay. So today, I know this is kind of completely retarded for me to be doing this right now. I finally got this today. This is my Allure beauty box, the Kat Von D edition for the June, I'm slinging stuff around, the June subscription box. So I ordered this for my very first time. When I saw that it was Kat Von D, I was like, yes, give it to me. So I ordered this June 19th. It's supposed to ship out 10 days after that, which would have been June 29th. I never got an email stating that they shipped it. I never got any information on it after calling several times. I don't know. I finally got it. So far my experience with Allure itself has not been that great. But I did finally get it. So even though it's the beginning of July, I'm doing a June unboxing. Sorry. On the plus side, they did say that my July box will be in the mail shortly. Like, I should be getting the July one like right after this one, like hopefully in the next few days or next week or something, so I can do the July unboxing in July. So this is my very first ever subscription box that I ever ordered. So if you are interested in the information, I'll put the link below in the description. I'm probably like the millionth person you've watched do a June unboxing, but it's Kat Von D. I need to. And also, I want to do this because I want to show you. I am doing a giveaway soon. I'll be announcing that this week later. But I want to kind of show you guys some things because there are some things in there that you will be getting. So this is what it comes with. It has it says Allure. Allure, I say Allure, right? When you call their phone service, it says Allure. Allure beauty box. So I don't know. So it just kind of tells you what comes in it, the prices of everything, and all of that good stuff. So let's go over stuff. Okay. So it has this pretty gold paper. Okay. And I was actually surprised it's a lot smaller of a box than what I was expecting. But all right, the very first thing, because it's big, I'm gonna pull this out. This is the O. Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. This is walnut powder and ginseng extract. You get 3 ounces. Hold on. Yeah. 3 ounces of this. It's actually, I think this is a full-size product. And this retails for $28. This is for you. So I don't typically use face washes. I know it's bad. I don't have oily skin. I have dry skin. And I know that cleansing is good, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm not gonna use it. So if you want it, it's for you as part of your giveaway. Okay, my giveaway. So the next thing that I see, let's do this. This is the Pure Lease Daily Lip Nourisher. This is with mango and shea butter. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a little bitty thing. It's a lip nourisher. Hydrates, nourishes, heals, and softens, and it is petroleum free. This is 11 grams or 0.38 ounces of this. So this is pretty cool. Let's see, vitamin E leaves lips supple and youthful. It inspired my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. It's a quote on there. All right, rice bran oil hydrates and protects lips from UV rays. So I guess it's kind of like a sun protection thing too, so that's cool. It's cruelty free, yay, okay? And I'm not going to open this or test it because they may or may not be including that in a giveaway. We'll see. All right, the next things is the Kat Von D. This is what you've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for. Let's get into it. So this is the Study Kiss. It's a little bitty little lipstick and it's super cute. It's just so cute. And it's called Double Dare. Now, I don't wear a lot of lipsticks. I tend to wear a lot of lip liners and lip other things. This is so cute. And the little lip gloss is this. Oh my goodness, it's so little. That is just so freaking cute. Look at that little thing. That is a pretty color. Okay. And I have not decided, I'm not testing this either because I might be giving that to you as well because I have a lot of lip colors already. And the main thing I want, I'll show you what I want in this box. But this could possibly be for you. See, I'm so nice and generous. I'm giving all this stuff to you. See, why not, you know? So this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It looks like a full-size product. And let me see if this is in here. There you go. And bow and arrow. Yes, this is in the thing and it is retail $20. Alright, so I got it open. Let's see. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's kind of like a brown, nudie, matte kind of color. Does it say it's full-size makeup? Huh. I don't know. But apparently someone says I can eat a dozen wings without having to touch up after. Yes, you can eat wings with this on. Yay. Alright, that's pretty. It's kind of brown. I'm not gonna say, like, this is not really a color that I'll use. Alright, I have some thinking to do because I'm not sure about this stuff. As far as the colors and stuff, this could be for you. I just ordered the box for you. You know, it's cool. So there's two more products. This is the main thing that I really, really wanted to try because I love my wing liner and I just like trying different kinds and I'm actually starting to run out of what I have. So anyways, let's open this. Alright, so this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Trooper Black. It is a sample size, so you get 0.2 milliliters or 0.007 ounces. So I am so happy to try this. All right, let's try it right-handed. I want to see what the swatch looks like. Okay. It seems like a very thin kind of stuff. I don't know. Not sure. We'll see how that goes. That's the little swatch that I did. Yeah, we'll see. So, the very last thing that I got is the lip liner. This is, yes, in Lolita. This is another thing. This is the other second thing that I really, really, really wanted. And this is, let's see, retails for $18. So the price of this stuff is like, whoa. And this, I believe, is full size as well. Let's try. Alrighty, well, I have that on. Here's the top. It is very, very, very soft. Like when I'm putting it on, you have to be very careful because it pushes in super easy. It's a soft, very soft pencil. But I really like the color. It is a bit darker than what I normally wear, but I'm liking that. I enjoy that. I like it. Alrighty, well, hope you guys like it. And yes, sorry, I'm so sorry that I'm doing this in July. Like, I literally just got this box today. So this video will be going up tomorrow on Tuesday. So hope that you guys like it. Like I said, you are definitely getting this walnut scrub. More than likely, you're getting the lip nourisher. And you may be getting this. I mean, you might just be getting a whole bunch of stuff. This giveaway is going to be huge. So stay tuned for that. And yeah. That's all I got for you. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. So I will be doing the July unboxing for Allure, and I have some other subscription boxes coming in the mail. Lots of good stuff. So yes, like this video if you thought it was helpful. Maybe I got something different in my box that you didn't or anything like that. If you have tried these products, let me know what you think, if they're any good and what you think. Or let me know what you want out of the box. What do you want for the giveaway, huh? Yeah? Okay. So anyways, subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one.